Highlife not really beautiful? Yes. The way the chords are, the progressions, wow, so soothing, so beautiful. What? If you don't know about Highlife, hey, start researching into Highlife. For you are missing a lot. One of the best genres anyone would want to learn is Highlife. A reason why I would want to teach you some few Highlife chords for today. Learn this and add some chops to your library. I'm doing this in the key of C. It's a very quick one. Let's go. In case you are not able to figure out my fingers, don't worry. You can follow the chords on the neck diagram showing beside me. Alright? C6 or minor 6, major 6 or minor 7, A minor 7. G dominant 7. This is D7, first inversion. The chord is this. Then I play F7, C, first inversion, D minor 7 to C, F6, A7 to D minor, D minor, I'm giving you other ways you can play it. So beautiful. Pastor George. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, hey, do. And if you're looking for further studies, please pick the numbers on the screen and let's do it. Give me a message on WhatsApp and I will answer you at the appropriate time. See you again and soon. Take your time to study this.